toolbox. Plenty of graphics, plenty of explanation. Single cell battery. Good graphics. Open it up. It's right side up in the box. Some directions. A cover. The main attraction. Alright. 2 batteries. A little container for your smoke. Screwdriver and a battery charger. Alright. See if I can get into this at some point. Wow. So there's this screw and also a little clamp thing to put your batteries in. I don't know why everything comes with the same kind of setup. If you got this clamp, why would you need a screw? But that's what you got. Alright, so you get it plugged in. Turn it off because it was on. I noticed. Man, it's always too short, no matter what device. It's just like, why do they make that so short when there's lots of room in this container? I don't know. Alright, got a little adjuster for your steering. Like lots of stuff. I don't see exactly much about this water fill thing, so I just filled it with some water. Oh, and it doesn't take very much. Or you can't put it in very fast, one of the two. Yeah, it doesn't take very much. So I'm gonna get that closed. All right. Turn this on. Turn the remote on. All right, turn it on. The headlights come on, as you can see. All right, got some good speed. The wheels turn like they should. There's a button here that isn't a button, it's just some type of decoration. Oh, there's your whatever that's called. All right, you can press that button and it flashes the lights, and it flashes them fast, then off. So on, flash slow, flash fast, off. Oh my goodness. Music, which I despise, but this is pretty cool. So I'm fired up, let the little guy drive it.